weather is nice, but your kids insist on gluing their eyes to the television, twiddling their thumbs to make fictional characters do their bidding. You need a solution to inspire activity and joy of the outdoors. Lifetime Products has brought the love of the game to your home so your children can experience the joy of basketball. This Lifetime basketball system includes a 48-inch Shatterproof Fusion backboard. The combination of polycarbonate playing surface with a high-density polyethylene frame makes this backboard virtually unbreakable. The system comes with a rim built to take a slam. The Slam-It rim also comes with an all-weather nylon net. Bring the game to your level with the action grip handle and counterbalance spring. The backboard and rim easily adjust from 7.5 to 10 feet with just one hand. The pole is cemented into the ground for a high-quality, ultra-safe play system. So bring the Lifetime basketball system home for your family to play within the comfort of your own yard.